Hi guys, this is just a quick video on how we expect you to submit your work for Narrative Form and Time this semester, now that we're all working offline, semester 1 2020. So we're no longer requiring you to upload your web template to the server, just to reduce complexity. And so what we want you to do is submit it to us as a zip file. So I'm just going to go through each what do they call it, subject section, interaction design, motion design, and visual narrative. Tell you what you have to do, and yes. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download it. You can download it from UTS Online if you go to Resources. And if you go to Web Template, Getting Your Work Online, you can download it there. And what you get when you download it is a folder here, a zipped file, and when you uncompress it, you'll get a folder with these 3 folders in it. So when you open it in something like brackets, you can see here it is here. I'm just going to go through what we want you to do for interaction design first. I'm not going to go into great detail because you guys have been working in the code quite a lot, but here's the index.html file. We just want you to update your student name, student number, and we want you to put a link here to your motion design Vimeo video, so that that link up the top there goes to that. So once you do that, then you'll put all your Sketch.js stuff in here. You'll create an assets folder for all your images and audio, and yes. So the next subject is motion design. What we can do here is we don't want you to do anything with that. You're going to upload your videos to Vimeo. So you don't have to do anything with that. Your visual narrative folder here, if you open up the index.html file, you will see that there is the same thing. So we want you to update here your student name, your student number. Again, we just want you to link to the Vimeo for motion design here. And then there's a line here that says this is the only code you need to edit to include your visual narrative images. So what you need to do here is, again, I'm not a tutor in visual narrative, so I'm not completely across it, so there may be some areas there, just check with your tutor, but I'd imagine that we just want you to load all your images in here, and then when we go over here, you've got all your images stacked up here. I can also see in your style.css file that's included here, that is linked to in the top of your index.html file. In your style.css file, I can see that there's some classes in here. They look like they're used for you to make a few gridded things for make some gridded layouts. So here, if you wanted to use that, you would change the class there to content half, and you can see that this one up the top has gone half width. I'd imagine that everyone wants you to do layouts in like this. And then if you wanted to do a 4-up layout, you'd do content. Content. So you can see I've just put 4 of them in a row here. There you go. So again, just check with your tutors. I'm not sure what they want you to do with the borders, whether this image that they've got in here is strict format or it's sort of up to you. I'm not sure. And then the other thing that I'd imagine you might want to do with this is you might want to add some padding to the bottom of these. Separate them might be something else that you might want to do. So to do that, you could do all content quarters have a margin bottom of 100 pixels. So if you go down here, there you go, you've added some space there. You could put it on all ones we've used, so that they're separated a bit. But again, check with your tutors on that. I'm not sure if they desperately want you to do that. So you'll include all your images in the images folder here, and then when you're done, we want you to zip up your folder, and that's what we want you to send to us. Yeah. All right, thanks for listening. Oh, when I say send to us, I think, I'm not sure on the submission process, but I'm sure you'll be told that at some point. It might be through ETS Online, or it might be email. It's my first semester, so you'll forgive me for my ignorance on that. Okay, thanks so much.